Okay.
No problem will create in accident. If you can see the some protect, even protect, even inform captain engineer or inform officer. Certainly maybe because sometimes we cannot careful. Any lube oil, any oil particle. In engine room, I also chief engineer, in a stand. I request everybody to be careful about our engine.
Because sometimes like they check, imagine a captain not see the.
Yes, sometimes in the problem.
Yeah.
Captain not
Sometimes
married.
yeah.
In operation, there is movement. People what can do? No problem. So everybody be careful about this thing.
Hi, Mr. Marcelo.
You captain, I said, friend, I stop.
Oh, yeah.
I said, daily.
So captains, before approach, very important you need to consider your current, swell, wind, which direction you will approach. You not that you blindly approach. Oh man, I cannot maneuver. No, better I go and jump up. Okay. Oh no, again come back. Come on, man. This is important because here time is everything. Time is very important factor. So we can be. You need to consider the current direction, swell, rate, wind, all this, then you decide how you will approach. Take a proper directions for approach. So can approach properly. This is very important for the captain. The captain, this is also another important current direction, swell, as I said, wind direction, pick up. Signal by one person. Now so many person on deck.
Sir, come. This is already mop. Mop, cleaning mop.
What?
Already you cleaning mop.
Mop it, okay.
Okay.
What was
No.
the car? Why?
Already cooking? Cooking minutes? Very good, huh? Cooking minute, huh? Cooking minute very good, huh?
Yeah.
Think you don't like all.
What?
But you like Facebook, WhatsApp. But why don't have happy Android? Where you have happy Android?
Happy memory?
Android.
Memory?
Android happy.
Memory?
Handphone.
Memory have... Home. Memory have mind. Memory have this car.
Pakai lemon tuh, enak. Oh Cika, mana Cika?
Let's makan kapurung guys.
Yang langsung konten di Facebook ini biasa. Aku pas pulang anak-anak telepon dari Singapura.
Mantap.
Banyak itu kenapa tak?
Pakai jarum ini bos.
Sorry kan, ada kendala tadi sedikit.
Ada pulang tadi. Lemon.
Bahannya